Okay, for math today, we're going to go on a scavenger hunt, which means you have to go around your house and look for different things. And the scavenger hunt is going to be for solid objects. So I'm here in my bedroom and I found my tissue box here. And you can see it is the shape of a cube. Okay, now that I found the cube shape object in my house, I'm going to go to this page and I'm going to find the cube on my scavenger hunt page. So down here at the bottom, here is the cube. So in this box down here, I'm going to try and draw a cube. And you can use the picture there to help you a little bit too. So I can try my best. Whoops, let me get my pen to draw a cube. So I'm going to start out by drawing a square. And then see how they have that line going back through there? And they have a line up here. So I'm going to try to make my square look like it is 3D. And then I'll put my little thing in here for my tissues to come out of. So there's my cube, and it was a tissue box. Okay, I'm still on my scavenger hunt, and here in my kitchen I have found a jar of peanut butter in my pantry, which is shaped like a cylinder. So I'm going to go to my scavenger page and draw that. Okay, so now I'm going to go find my cylinder, which is right up here, and I'm going to draw my peanut butter jar. So if you look at how they did it, they have two lines, and they put a circle, kind of like an oval at the top, and a circle around down here, maybe some little dotted lines there. And then I'm going to color my brown lid for my peanut butter. And then you could write on it if you wanted to. Mine was Jiffy. I'll just put Jif. There's my cylinder I found. Okay, the next thing I have found is this ottoman I have to put your feet on. It is shaped like a sphere. I'm going to put that in my scavenger hunt page. Okay, so my ottoman by my chair, that's a sphere shape, is gray. So right here's the sphere. So what I would do is I draw a circle, and you kind of draw a line through like that. And then my ottoman is made out of like gray knitted yarn. So then I'm going to put some lines on mine to make it look like the ottoman. All right, let's keep going. So I'm having a hard time finding something that's cone shaped in my house, but I have this little lantern that looks very much like a cone, so I think I'll use that. Okay, so here is the cone shape. So I'm going to try to draw my lantern in that. And it was sort of shaped like a cone, so I'll draw the lines and kind of make a circle, go down like that, and a line across here, and it kind of had a little handle up here on the top, and then had a little bit of a window decorations here for my lantern. Okay, the one last thing I had to find is this down here, and it's called a pyramid, which that isn't really one that we have to learn, but it could just be for fun. So let me see if I can find a pyramid. This is what I found in my china cabinet. This was a gift that my son got for me in Washington, D.C. And you can see it is shaped like a pyramid. All right, so I found the pyramid, and I'm gonna have to try and draw that that my son got for me. Let's see, it's kind of, let's see, you make a triangle here. Whoops. And then you have to kind of make a triangle on this side. Maybe down for here. And then I would draw the buildings that were on the pyramid in Washington, D.C. Okay, so I went around my house and I found all of these solid shapes and drew them. So you go do that and draw them and send it to me.